Welcome to Link Up with Sharon and learn English with me. In this video, we are going to learn a type of sentence called imperative. And today we will learn imperative sentences with be verbs. You can also learn more about imperative sentences in other posts and videos. Normally, an English sentence, we have subject, verb. Today we use be verb, and it comes with a noun to make the meaning complete. In the end, we need punctuation. But an imperative sentence doesn't need a subject. Look at this example. Be a leader. Imperative sentences are used to give orders, recommendations, or instructions. It depends on how you say it. Be a writer. Be a musician. Be an architect. Be an engineer. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Follow me and you'll learn more. Bye.